Welcome to this video all about the brand new 2026 American Army Tank M42, where we are bringing you full in-depth details and features of this powerful next-generation combat vehicle. The M42 represents the latest evolution in American armored warfare, blending superior firepower, modern defense systems and cutting-edge technology to dominate any battlefield it enters. Equipped with a newly designed 130mm smoothbore main gun, the M42 delivers unmatched accuracy and firepower against both armored threats and fortified positions. Its fire control system has been upgraded with AI-based target tracking and automatic threat assessment, ensuring split-second responses even under the most intense conditions. The M42 also comes with an active protection system capable of intercepting incoming projectiles, including anti-tank guided missiles and drone-based threats. Under the hood, it's powered by a next-gen hybrid diesel-electric engine, providing both extended range and improved stealth mobility. This engine not only reduces heat signature for thermal concealment but also makes the tank faster, quieter and more fuel efficient than previous models. The armor is a new generation of composite reactive hybrid plating, offering resistance against kinetic penetrators, tandem charge warheads and top attack munitions. Manned by a crew of 3, the M42 features a semi-autonomous control system with advanced situational awareness, including 360-degree camera feeds, infrared night vision and augmented reality displays for the commander and gunner. In terms of communication, the M42 integrates into the US Army's next-gen battlefield network, allowing real-time data sharing across units, UAFs and command posts, ensuring synchronized operations and superior tactical coordination. The M42's interior has been ergonomically redesigned for crew comfort on long missions, with climate control, improved shock absorption and modular digital interfaces. It's also equipped with a secondary remote-controlled weapon station, mounting either a .50 caliber machine gun or a 40mm automatic grenade launcher, giving it enhanced urban and anti-infantry capabilities. This tank has already completed successful field trials in extreme environments, from deserts to snowy terrain, proving its reliability, durability and adaptability across all war zones. From firepower to armor to connectivity, the 2026 M42 is built to meet the future of warfare and provide the US Army with a technological and tactical edge. Don't forget to like the videos, subscribe to the channel and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Your support helps us keep bringing you more exclusive military technology updates and in-depth breakdowns every week.